Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Joni Young and I've got a quick one for you today. I just painted over an old canvas with phthalo green. The paint is still a little bit wet, but I'm going to begin with my number 11 flat brush. I'm going to take some white paint, a little bit of yellow, just a little bit. Maybe I'll start off with making this a little bit light. A little bit lighter in color. So I'm going to pull softly on diagonally like this. Take a little bit of water, a little bit more white with that yellow on there. I'm going to take some phthalo blue. And I'm going to start tapping in. Pick up a little bit of white. Take a bunch of water on my brush with that paint, and we'll start creating some drips. Well, let's put a couple right in here too. And then I think I'm just going to start pulling back and forth. And those drips can continue to just fall like that. Let's take some white, slide it into that light blue with my flat brush again, and maybe we'll start staircase right in here, just like that. You know, I love my staircases. Staircases in a painting, just in general, are very meaningful to me. We'll have a little staircase. Pull into these a little bit more. Just add a little bit more depth to them. So I'm just adding more white, you guys. Like, the paint is so wet underneath that it just keeps mixing, creating that beautiful green color. And maybe I can have some branches in here. Let's help guide that one down too. I'm going to mix up some dioxazine purple along with my cobalt blue. Using another mop brush, I take purple and blue, and we'll start tapping Oh, those colors look so pretty together. I have that little railing in there, but I don't know. I don't know if I like that. I just put that in there just to see. I like to just play around with ideas sometimes. Let's have a beautiful purpley bush over here off to the side. And I'm just going to sort of pinch my brush like this, make it narrower. We can have some coming from the top too. Okay, and I've got even a smaller mop brush now. So I'm going to take that purple, that blue again, then we can take a little bit of white, tap it in, add a little highlight. And I'm going to switch over to my mini fan brush. Take some white with that purple and that blue. A little bit more, lighten that up. Let's have some little dangly vines down here. Maybe we've got some weeping wisteria, which you can easily do, guys, just with this brush. See, I like to show you guys quicker, easier kind of painting hacks that I've learned over the years. I like to show you guys how to do all that kind of stuff so that you're not intimidated to attempt a painting that you may not think that you're ready to try. My method of teaching is everybody can paint whatever they want at their own level, and if you follow my steps, you can learn to paint like a pro. Just using the very corner of my brush here. The staircase goes farther and farther away. Those colors again, and let's incorporate a little bit of that color into these stairs just by pulling and dragging. Just going to soften down here. A little bit of blue and purple for some more shadow. take my liner brush and this bluey purple color that I made, and we'll paint some branches. Just wiggle, twist and turn. On my fan brush, some more of that blue and purple. Just trying to make this purple pop out a little bit more here on the side because it looks, as it's drying, it's looking black and I don't want it to look black. And then we can add some more blue and purple coming down here. Soften with a little bit of white. I like it when it looks like the flowers are kind of growing right onto the stairs like that. I like that look. I like overgrown gardens. Okay, I'm going to add another highlight to these stairs using my little Filbert brush. Just going to leave that. I'm just going to tap softly in here. A few little highlights up there. I'm going to completely dry this off and then I'm going to add the final light inside of here. I'm going to use my flat brush number 11. It's a little bit damp. Take a little bit of white, a little bit of blue. I'm going to start from here. Take some more purple, blue, and white. Re-add these weeping wisterias in here. I can add a little bit more here where it came off a little bit. Still looks really pretty. I don't always mind when I pick up a little bit of the paint underneath. Take some more of this blue and add a little bit to it up here. I just really love all these colors together. A few little highlights here where that light's hitting. And one last little bush. This is actually a makeup brush I'm using. They make some of the best brushes. Okay guys, this painting is all done. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and like and subscribe to my channel for more free art inspiration. Take care you guys, have a wonderful day and happy painting. Bye!